Are we welcome here? That was a very clear no.
Okay.
It said y'all go.
Y'all go.
Is this a Confederate or a Union soldier we are speaking with?
What is that on top of them?
On top? And these are pebble stones. I do not know what this is though. A small bouquet?
Those of you at home watching this, you know what the reason behind this is? These are, oh, they moved. They're not glued. I thought they were glued. So they're not glued. They're just laying here.
It's Weatherford. The other is Thomas.
So, if anybody knows why these
Hey,
things
bro.
are
What's
on
up?
here,
What's up?
as you can see, they
What's
move.
up?
They're not.
What's that straight ahead of us? You see?
Each one of
Yeah.
them is that way.
What's that white thing on the
If
tree?
anybody can say
I
why,
can't see it.
May I hold
those represent,
the spirit box?
that would be
Yeah.
nice. You
Yeah.
have a comment about what the
Hey, Gage is asking a question about something that's white on the tree.
white on the
Oh no, when you face the light away, it confused me for a moment.
Yeah.
Because I saw like a white glow on the tree.
okay.
I just want to make sure it wasn't lighting because we do have very distant lights out here.
Oh, okay. Ooh, my hand, hold on. My hand was kind of, just take caution with that light. The light can sometimes loosen. I didn't realize how long I was holding that weight for.
Minutes.
Oh.
But look at this right here though.
This is,
Heard someone. Yeah, I just heard someone talk.
like, on there or?
Over there, yeah.
Over here.
Or maybe it was the spirit box?
I was to your right. Do you mean over here?
Yeah.
Aim the light over here. Let's go see what this is.
Yeah.
If there's someone here with us, can you please tell us what is with the lights over here?
What is with the light? Now you do actually have me curious about it because it's only one spot.
You good, Gage?
Yeah, I'm perfect.
Okay. Interesting.
What is that? Without
This is a plot.
1973 to 2022.
James J. McKissick. Hey Junior, will you shine the light over here?
Yeah. What's up?
So we have made it to the back of the cemetery.
Okay. You good, Dad?
Yeah, I was actually just trying to get an EMF reader off of that because that's a unique
Wait,
tombstone.
shine the light over there, buddy.
Okay. What's up?
Damn.
What?
That's a lot of open area.
Yeah.
So guys, we have made it to the back of the cemetery. I see a bench over here. Would y'all be willing to sit down for a moment and see if we can catch anything?
Go ahead.
Alrighty. Okay.
We mean no harm.
Nope. No, we just we want some answers if possible. And again, if anybody is unfamiliar, this could be a lantern or a light, whichever is easiest for y'all to understand. All you gotta do is press it and it will light up. Show yourselves. This is showing yourselves presently. This is hearing you guys, women, men or women, hearing you all. So either talk to us to the box or show us on the light. Nothing's around it. I'm not touching it as always. So do something. Talk to us. Communicate one way or the other, physically or verbally. See what y'all got. Let's see. Anybody from the Civil War? World War I, World War II, or just a random civilian.
If there is anyone here or active with us that wishes to communicate something, can you please speak into the box, touch the light, or touch one of us, and just something to let us know that you are here with us.
I thought I heard something. See if we can have the spirit box repeat itself.
Can you repeat yourself?
I'm going to turn it up. Can you please repeat what you said? Can you please touch the light or the lantern to our right? Or can you please touch...
Turn everything off. Turn everything off right now. Can you hear Jay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd say we need to get moving.
Go, because I don't know what the hell that is. Oh, okay, I see what the problem was.
Are we good?
Yeah.
Alright guys, I apologize. We had a small scare. We had to move and relocate because of some strange noises and movement behind us, which is probably why you saw us get up.
Yeah.
We went ahead, we're on the other side of the cemetery now. We are at the mausoleum building, and as you can see beside us, and we're not trying to show any photos or anything of anybody, but these are vertical mausoleums with the graves stacked up on top of each other. And we are exploring this building real quick, possibly going to do a small lap around, check it out, and then we're going to start moving and investigating more. But we just had to relocate real quick because we have no
We're
idea
scared.
what that noise was.
Okay, to be honest, y'all at home, just to let the cat out of the bag, it's no big deal. But we heard some chains. We thought maybe dogs.
Camera keeps going blurry for some reason. Like, is that it?
Just zoom.
No, like that's, now I'm back in focus.
Yeah, it did that. Does that.
That was the only time that it did that.
Huh. Done that a few times.
Let me try backing up a little. Like it was right only in this area.
In this area?
Yeah, I don't understand what that was.
That's odd because it.
Hold up. It out of focus in this area right here when I'm pointing in it.
Does it focus when I'm walking
It's
from?
when I'm close to this tree. Try doing an EVP session around this tree. Because I'm curious, why did the camera only go out of focus when I'm aimed right here? You guys are closer than the tree.
See, that's what I don't understand. It went out of focus a few times. It's done that every once in a while to me. When like I'm filming, it automatically just unfocuses.
Oh, you got the spirit box turned off?
Yeah, I was turning that down.
Oh, I gotcha.
Here you go, buddy.
All right.
It got disconnected and all that shit when we were running.
Oh, okay. I'll help you reconnect it and stuff real quick.
Did you hear me though, Robert?
Yeah.
There have been times like earlier when the camera, the focus went out and then it came back as
That
we were
port
walking.
right there.
All right. Which button?
Let me see here. Is it still plugged into the speaker? Okay. Why is it not coming on now? Are the batteries dead? Oh wait, I think we lost one of the batteries.
Oh shit!
Yeah, the battery in the back.
Wow.
That's fine.
How did the battery fall out?
I don't know because I scooped it straight up off the ground, and when I dropped that one thing, I literally only dropped the speaker and it was still attached.
So the battery's back there somewhere.
I don't think
Yeah,
it's worth
but
looking at.
that's the
What's
Cover
up?
too, I guess.
yeah, but that's the weird thing is I scooped it straight up off the ground like this, and I had it in my hand, like palm inwards the entire time. So whether side it was going to be on, I had it covered.
That's odd.
Yeah.
I mean,
Maybe, I don't know. Maybe it's good. I don't know.
Let's see if we can catch anything with the EMF reader.
Yeah.